Measuring 36 by 41 feet, this exterior concept exemplifies modern minimalist architecture through its striking interplay of bold geometric volumes and contrasting textures. The design thoughtfully balances warm timber cladding against sleek concrete and rugged stone walls, while strategic ambient lighting and integrated bamboo landscaping introduce a serene tropical aesthetic. Inside, the open concept layout continues this sophisticated narrative by seamlessly dissolving the boundaries between the interior and the outdoors through expansive floor-to-ceiling glass. The living spaces are meticulously curated with raw, tactile materials such as exposed stonework, polished concrete floors, and rich wood cabinetry that foster a serene, grounded atmosphere. By incorporating organic shapes, expansive glass panels, and indoor greenery, the spatial arrangement effectively blurs the boundaries between inside and outside, offering a tranquil yet highly functional living environment. House 2. Showcasing a fresh architectural approach within a 33 by 36 feet layout, this concept deliberately avoids standard cubic forms by featuring a dynamic, asymmetrical pitched roof. The facade creates a bold textural contrast, pairing bright gray concrete and stark white plains with deep charred timber cladding. To soften these sharp geometric lines, a minimalist, Zen-inspired gravel garden grounds the structure, offering a tranquil transition into the home. Moving inside, the interior color palette is a sophisticated study in earthy, industrial contrast designed to evoke both rawness and warmth. The foundational canvas of cool, exposed gray concrete across the walls and floors is beautifully offset by rich autumnal hues of rust, terracotta, and burnt orange introduced through the upholstery and textiles. Deep, dark wood elements add profound visual depth to the spaces, while metallic copper fixtures and warm ambient lighting perfectly balance the stark architectural shell with a cozy, luxurious atmosphere.